Hello again. L.T. here with 7 Cities Marketing. In this video we will share ways on how you can find untapped affiliate markets and earn money. Watch this video till the end and get my number 1 recommendation to making money online. Now, let's get started. Affiliate marketing can be extremely lucrative, as you know, but if you are a newbie who is starting to involve in earning online through affiliate program, you may find it's hard to find a suitable affiliate products to promote with, because most of them have been promoted heavily by many other affiliate marketers. Hence, if you are promoting the same affiliate products, you need to compete with these experienced affiliate marketers. So how can you find untapped and therefore potentially highly profitable products to promote as an affiliate? If you are a new affiliate marketer, the best place to start searching for your products is at ClickBank, the leading retailer of digital products and the most popular affiliate networks where many affiliate marketers are making the fortune with it. You may wonder that ClickBank products are heavily promoted by many affiliate marketers. Are you standing a chance to win in this affiliate market? The fact is, ClickBank sells so many products, there are still some very profitable opportunities which are overlooked by other affiliate marketers. If you do some analysis, you will find that most affiliate marketers are naturally go to promote best-selling products in each category, and the most popular category which loved by most affiliate marketers is internet marketing, make money products. This category is facing heavy competition between affiliate marketers. Some good strategies are needed to win in the competition. If you're not a good competitor and have a marketing budget constraint, then try to look for other less popular products. You will often find some hidden gems that haven't yet taken off for whatever reason. You can make a good profit with these products by promoting them on PPC, pay-per-click, search engines, email marketing, article marketing, or through your website. Beside that, the best way to profit from ClickBank products is you must get the first-hand alert on any new product launch in ClickBank, and start to heavily promote it as soon as they come available. Getting a good and new product promoted in market before others do, can be extremely lucrative. There are specialist sites that will allow you to constantly scan for any new products that have just entered the marketplace. Other than ClickBank, there are many other affiliate networks available in the internet that has hidden gems which you can discover and make your fortune from it. Do a search for affiliate networks, and you will find thousands of affiliate networks where you can find many companies offer affiliate program. These networks present plenty of opportunities because from these lists, there will inevitably be some companies that are underrepresented by affiliates, particularly on Google AdWords and other PPC search engines. Furthermore, if you spend some time to look for companies outside the US which have their individual affiliate program, you will find a lot untapped affiliate markets for non-English speaking countries. These markets have far fewer competitors and may be a potential and absolute goldmine where you can earn a substantial profits from them. Your problem that you will be faced if you want to tap into these non-English speaking markets, you need to translate your sales page or website into a different languages. Don't try to use any of translation software because they very rarely translate perfectly into the natural language. You can many freelance sites that provide translation service. Use their service to translate your sales page or website into different language and start promoting your selected products to these countries. To sum this up, affiliate marketing can be extremely lucrative, and to be success in this business, you need to be creative and search for untapped opportunities. The internet market is huge and there will always be good companies out there who need more affiliates in all kinds of different niches. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. And if you are new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button. If you want my number 1 recommendation for making money online, click the link below the video. With that, this is LT with 7citiesmarketing.com. See you on the next video. Goodbye.